Let's be real for a second. After 10th or 12th, everyone's telling you to do the same thing. Become a doctor, become an engineer, go write NEET, do MBBS. But what if that's not your path? Or what if it does not work out? Does that mean your dream of working in the medical field is forever over? Absolutely not. Because there's a whole world of healthcare in careers that you can join without NEET and still make a splendid life for yourself. So in today's video, I'm giving you the top 5 paramedical courses that are actually worth your time and your future. Number 1, DMLT, Diploma in Medical Lab Technology. If you've ever done a blood test, you've already seen the work of a lab technician. The DMLT trains you to collect samples, run tests, and help doctors diagnose patients without bleeding, without needing to become one yourself. The course duration is 2 years. The job roles include lab technician and pathology assistant, and the workplaces include hospitals, diagnostic labs, and blood banks. The starting salary is 15 to 30,000 rupees each month. Number 2, Radiology and Xray technology. This is for those who want to work with machines like X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs. You don't just push buttons, you actually help doctors literally see inside the body. The course duration is about 1.5 to 2 years, and the job roles are radiology or X-ray technician. The workplaces? Good question. Imaging centers, hospitals, emergency care rooms. The starting salary is from 18,000 to 35,000 rupees every single month. Number 3, EMT, Emergency Medical Technician. Do you want fast-paced work? Want to be the one helping in ambulances, in accident cases, and emergencies with the adrenaline flowing through your blood? Then EMT is just for you. The course duration is 1.5 to 2 years. The job roles are in ambulance, such as ambulance assistant or first care emergency responder. The workplaces include ambulance services, trauma care, even NGOs. The starting salary is from 12,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees each month. Number 4, OTT, Operation Theatre Technology. Surgeries don't run without these folks. You set up the OT, Operation Theatre, assist surgeons, and keep the rooms sterile and safe for doctors to do their work. The course is for 1.5 to 2 years, and the job roles include OT assistant, surgical technician. The workplaces are hospitals, surgical cares, and ICUs. The salaries are again in the range of 15,000 to 30,000 rupees per month, depending on the hospital and the person. Lastly, physiotherapy. If you're the kind of person who likes doing the help of others to recover, to gain strength, and live pain-free, this is your thing. We offer a 6-month physiotherapy certificate program with job roles such as physiotherapist and rehab assistant. The workplaces include hospitals, rehab clinics, and sports centers. The starting salary is 20,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees each month. And there you have it, 5 solid paramedical courses that don't just sound good, they actually work in the real world. You can build a life, a stable income, a respected position in healthcare, and you can do it all without NEET and without wasting multiple years. At GD Goenka Healthcare Academy, Sarjapur Road in Bangalore, we train our students to be the best paramedics in the entire industry. If you want to help pick the right course, we are just one visit away. Give us one phone call and we can help you. Drop a comment or ask a question. Leave your phone number so that we can get back to you. Give us a call and let's begin our journey together. We'll see you soon.